Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the Microsoft 365 Fundamentals exam syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how to allocate your time. This exam has 4 domains with clear weights and expectations. Describe Microsoft 365 apps and services as 50% of the exam. Describe security, compliance, privacy, and trust in Microsoft 365 as 25%. Describe Microsoft 365 pricing, licensing, and support as 15%, and describe cloud concepts as 10%. All domains are assessed as conceptual plus scenario-based questions, so you should be ready to explain ideas and apply them to realistic situations. Describe Microsoft 365 apps and services carries 50% of the exam weight. It focuses on productivity, collaboration, and endpoint management solutions, and it is rated medium difficulty with an estimated learning time of 12 hours and an assessment type of conceptual plus scenario-based. In this domain you will learn how Microsoft Teams supports meetings and messaging, how Exchange Online manages email, and how SharePoint Online and OneDrive enable collaboration and file storage. You will study Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise and emerging employee experience tools like Microsoft Viva, along with Microsoft Search and other productivity tools. The endpoint management and analytics portion covers Microsoft Intune for device management, Windows Autopilot for deployment, Windows 365 and Azure Virtual Desktop for virtual endpoints, the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and usage reports and analytics to monitor adoption and health. Describe security, compliance, privacy, and trust in Microsoft 365 as 25% of the exam. It focuses on security principles, identity management, and compliance tools, and it is also medium difficulty with an estimated learning time of 8 hours and an assessment type of conceptual plus scenario-based. You will learn Zero Trust security principles and Microsoft Entra ID identity solutions, including multi-factor authentication, Windows Hello, and conditional access policies that control access based on risk. You will also cover Microsoft Defender offerings for Office 365 and endpoint protection and learn how Microsoft Secure Score helps assess and improve security posture. On the compliance side you will study Microsoft Purview for data governance, sensitivity labels and classification, data loss prevention policies, e-discovery and content search, and privacy resources such as the Service Trust Portal. Describe Microsoft 365 pricing, licensing, and support accounts for 15% of the exam, with a focus on licensing structures, subscription management, and technical support availability, and it is rated easy with an estimated learning time of 4 hours and an assessment type of conceptual plus scenario-based. In this domain you will understand Microsoft 365 subscription and licensing options and how to manage purchasing and billing. You will learn available support options, how to create service requests, and where to find service level agreements, service health information, and guidance on service life cycle and release management. Knowing these elements helps you match customer needs to the right plans and respond to operational issues quickly. Describe cloud concepts makes up 10% of the exam, focuses on foundational cloud computing principles and service delivery models, and it is easy with an estimated learning time of 3 hours and an assessment type of conceptual plus scenario-based. You will review the shared responsibility model and compare public, private, and hybrid cloud models, along with cloud service types such as IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. The domain also explains cost benefits like OpEx versus CapEx and core design principles such as scalability and high availability that underpin Microsoft Cloud services. These basics help you place Microsoft 365 features in the wider context of cloud strategy and architecture. To prepare effectively, allocate study time proportional to the domain weights, spending most of your hours on the 50% apps and services domain and then on security and compliance at 25%, with smaller blocks for licensing and cloud concepts. Practice scenario-based questions, use the Microsoft Learn resources for hands-on examples, and review the key topics I discussed so you can both explain concepts and apply them. Good luck with your Microsoft 365 Fundamentals exam preparation and remember that clear understanding of these domains will make the certification well within reach.